Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix when iPhone is not receiving text. So if any Android user or iPhone user are trying to send you text message but you're not receiving the text message on your iPhone, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So the first step is check your cellular connection. If you don't have cellular connection, you won't be able to receive text messages. So make sure that you have Wi-Fi or cellular data working internet connection on your device. And if you are not still getting the text message even if you have cellular or Wi-Fi connection, then the step is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix a lot of common bugs, especially if it has been a long time since you have restarted your iPhone. Simply try to restart your iPhone and just wait for a few minutes to see if text start coming through. And once you have restarted your iPhone and if it's still not working, then the next step is enable MMS. If an Android user try to sending you an image but you have MMS turned off, you won't get that message. So you have to turn on MMS. For that you can simply click on settings, scroll down, click on messages, and here you will see MMS messaging. So make sure that it's turned on. If it's turned off, you can toggle it turn on. Also make sure that you turn on send as SMS. So when you're trying to send a message without the connection, you won't get any error. So once you have done this and if it's still not working, then the next step is unblock the number. If you have accidentally blocked your friend number or you forgot about blocking it in the past, you'll find that you can't receive their text. Try to unblock them. For that you can go to settings and then simply click on phone, scroll down, and here you will see blocked contact. Click on it, and if you see any blocked contact here, you can simply remove from the block list and see if you get any message from them. So once you have done this and if it's still not working, then the next step is check for software update. If your iPhone is outdated, that may cause problem with the text message along with the other issues. Check for update and install anything that's available. For that you can simply go to settings, click on general, then simply click on software update and see if there is any update available. So if you get any update here, you can simply click on download and install that update on your iPhone to see if this problem solved. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.